Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn the use of order by. The order by keyword is used to sort the result in ascending or descending order. The resultant record in ascending order by default. To sort the record in descending order, we need to use DESC keyword. Here is the syntax for order by. Select column 1, column 2 and so on from table name. Order by column 1 and column 2 and so on, ascending or descending order. Let's quickly open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query. We have created multiple tables during this SQL Server tutorial. Let's select, just click on tables and select customers table. Now select star from customers. Let's quickly execute it. You can see that we have 4 rows and 5 columns. Now I want to use order by and specify the column name. Let's say customer name. And then we are not using any DSC or ESC. Just wanted to execute it as per the condition. It is saying by default behavior is ascending order. Let's see. So here we specify the customer name. It's an alphabetical order. I, J, M is coming like this. So let's quickly change and use DESC. It's a descending order and execute the query. Let's see what will happen after this. So before doing this, just copy paste the query and then remove the SC and then execute the query and then see the difference what will happen. Execute. Here in first query it is executing and giving the result is IJM like this. And when we use DESC, it is starting, so that is descending order, so it is coming as an alphabetical M first and then J and then I. So this is how we can use order by. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel.